In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on an SSL certificate on your Wix website. This is an important step to ensure that your website is secure, providing your visitors with the confidence they need, knowing that their data is protected. Without further ado, let's dive into this process and have you securely online in no time. To begin with, you'll first need to visit Wix. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Wix's homepage. If you aren't already logged in, make sure to input your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Wix account, which is your central hub for managing your website. Now, direct your attention to the dashboard's left sidebar. Here you should see a series of menu options. You'll want to click on the Settings option. This will take you to a new page where all your site's configurations are located. It's worth noting that Settings is where you'll manage various aspects of your website, including domains, billing, and more. Now, when you're all under the Settings section, you'll need to make use of the search functionality. Simply type the word domains into the search bar. This will help you quickly locate the domain section without having to manually scroll and search through other settings options. Once you've typed in domains, select the domains option from the results. Before proceeding to activate the SSL certificate, it's crucial to mention that you need to be subscribed to a Wix premium plan. The SSL certificate, along with the ability to connect your website to a custom domain, is a feature that's unlocked as part of Wix's paid services. This ensures that your website enjoys both enhanced functionality and a more professional appearance. Assuming you're on a Wix premium plan, the next step is to find and click on the SSL certificate button. This prominently displayed button is what you'll use to toggle the SSL certificate on. Activating the SSL certificate is an easy process, and once you've enabled it, your website's URL should change to HTTPS, signaling that it's secure. This is an essential feature as it encrypts the data transferred between your site and its visitors, significantly boosting security. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now equipped with an SSL certificate, ensuring a secure browsing experience for your users. Make sure to always verify that your site is displaying that crucial HTTPS in its URL. Not only does this build trust with your visitors, but it can also positively impact your site's ranking in search engines like Google. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials that help you make the most out of your Wix website.